Bryan Kohberger, brilliant student, turned suspect, a quiet man harboring explosive secrets. When 4 lives were brutally taken, his name ignited a nationwide frenzy, sparking a trial full of shocking twists that would change everything we thought we knew about justice. Bryan Kohberger's explosive sentencing to reveal secrets. Bryan Kohberger, a name once unknown, suddenly became the center of a chilling criminal saga that gripped the nation. What started as a mysterious crime soon spiraled into a complex web of secrets, lies, and shocking revelations, all culminating in an explosive sentencing that no one saw coming. But as the court proceedings unfolded, strange twists began to surface. Key pieces of evidence were suddenly questioned, and unexpected witnesses emerged with startling claims. Was Kohberger truly the cold-blooded killer, or was there more to the story than the prosecution revealed? Questions remained about how such a tragedy could unfold unnoticed and whether justice had truly been served. But one thing was clear: Bryan Kohberger's story was not just about crime, but about the hidden darkness lurking beneath ordinary lives. And to understand that sometimes the most explosive secrets are the ones we never expect to find. In a quiet college town, beneath the calm surface, a nightmare was unfolding. Bryan Kohberger's explosive sentencing did more than close a chapter. It revealed a haunting narrative of human flaws, secrets, and the pursuit of justice in the face of overwhelming odds. For those who followed every twist, it was a gripping lesson in the shadows that sometimes lie just beneath the surface. Bryan Kohberger was a graduate student with a promising future, but behind his studious exterior, something darker lurked. The community was stunned when a brutal crime shattered their sense of safety. 4 young lives were taken in a horrifying incident that left everyone searching for answers. Experts debated forensic findings, while the defense suggested alternate theories. The public watched closely, glued to every development. Then, in a dramatic turn of events, new information was brought to light, information that threatened to change everything. Secrets long buried under layers of silence started to surface, revealing hidden motives and alliances that no one had predicted. Police investigation led straight to Kohberger, whose calm demeanor masked a tangled story of obsession and deception. Would Bryan Kohberger face the harshest penalties, or would these explosive revelations alter his fate? The judge's decision was more than just a verdict. It was a revelation of truths that had been carefully concealed. The sentence handed down exposed a tangled web of betrayal, mental turmoil, and calculated actions that went beyond what anyone imagined. The trial was anything but ordinary. Evidence piled up, painting a disturbing portrait of a man capable of unimaginable violence. As the trial reached its climax, the courtroom was charged with tension. When the day of sentencing arrived, anticipation was at its peak. The aftermath of the sentencing rippled through the community. Families struggled to find closure while legal experts dissected the case's complexities. This case serves as a stark reminder of how appearances can deceive, and how the search for truth is often filled with unexpected turns. In the end, the story of Bryan Kohberger challenges us to look beyond the obvious,